In this video, I will provide you with a few things you might need to consider before spacing your floor joist 48 inches on center and possibly using 1 1/8" plywood. Now, the only time I've ever seen 48-inch on center joist was when they were using 2x6 tongue and groove for the floor sheathing. And this is actually a solid floor and really holds up well over time. But I can tell you that I've never seen 1 1/8" plywood or 1 1/8" OSB installed on a floor with 48-inch on center joist. I did see it once on a roof, but don't remember ever seeing it on a floor, leading us to believe that this would be the preferred method. Now, the bad news is I haven't seen this in a long time and never worked on a project ever where we used this for new construction. And I'm guessing the reason for that is that it was too expensive, and this would have been in the late 1970s when I started out. However, I have seen it on plenty of remodel jobs that I've worked on. And as far as 1 1/8" plywood goes, I've never seen on a floor joist that was spaced more than 16 inches on center, even though the rating for this plywood from the manufacturers suggests you can use it for floor joists spaced 48 inches on center. And let's go ahead and wrap the video up by the most common floor joist spacing and sheathing used throughout my career and still used today. And that's going to be 3/4 inch thick plywood or 3/4 inch thick OSB over 16-inch on center floor joist. And every once in a while, I'll come across a 19.2 on center spacing. However, on the projects I worked on that had that, it seemed to produce weaker floors.